Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas O, Lionel, Menards, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas O has released its 2024 spring catalog of new products. To guarantee delivery, each of the following items should be pre-ordered through an authorized Atlas dealer by May 22, 2024. See the link in the video description for more information. Atlas O has announced new paint schemes for its P42 Genesis diesel, including Amtrak Phase 7 colors, NJ Transit, Metro North Conrail Heritage colors, Metro North MTA FL9 colors, and Metro North New York Central Heritage colors. The Amtrak and NJ Transit diesels are priced at $639.95, while the Metro North variations are priced at $699.95 each. Atlas O has also added a brand new 280 consolidation to its product lineup, available decorated for Chicago and Northwestern, Boston and Maine, Western Maryland, Southern, Union Pacific, and New York Central. Each model is available in 2 road numbers and is priced at $799.95. Atlas O has announced new color schemes and road numbers for its Trainman line of 60-foot heavyweight passenger cars. Road names include Boston and Maine, Chicago and Northwestern, New York Central, Santa Fe, Conway Scenic, and Western Maryland. Car types include baggage cars, combines, coaches, and observation cars. Individual cars are priced at $114.95 each or $119.95 each for observation cars. Atlas O has announced new paint schemes and road numbers for its Trainman GP15 diesel model. Available road names include Conrail, GMTX, Missouri Pacific, York Rail, Norfolk Southern, Union Pacific, and CSX. Each model is available in 2 different road numbers, with a price of $479.95 each for the Conrail and Missouri Pacific versions, and $499.95 each for the other road names. Atlas O has announced new road names and color schemes for its Northeastern caboose models. Road names include Boston and Maine, Chicago and Northwestern, Pittsburgh and Lake Erie, Savannah and Atlanta, Union Pacific, and Western Maryland. Each caboose is available in 2 different road numbers and is priced at $89.95 each. Atlas O has also announced new Premier Line wedge-type snowplows decorated for Boston and Maine, Canadian Pacific, Chessie System, Chicago and Northwestern, Pan Am Railways, Pennsylvania, and Rock Island. Each version is available in 2 different road numbers and is priced at $89.95 each. Atlas O has also announced new color schemes for its Master line of 40-foot woodside reefers, including Borden's Produce, Carnation Flaked Wheat, Dierks & Sons Potatoes, Omaha Cold Storage, Pacific Cooperative Poultry, Puritan Malt, and South Iowa Co-op Creameries. Each car is available in 2 road numbers and is priced at $92.95 each. Atlas O has also announced new paint schemes and road numbers for its line of 52-foot 6-inch emergency wartime gondola cars. Varieties include Lehigh Valley, Rock Island, Reading, New York Central, Pennsylvania, and Santa Fe. Each car is available in 4 different road numbers and is priced at $59.95 each. Also available are new paint schemes and road numbers for Atlas O's line of 40-foot boxcars with 8-foot doors, including B&O Sentinel Service, Clinchfield, EJ&E, Northampton and Bath, Maine Central, and Santa Fe. Each car is available in 2 different road numbers for $69.95 each. Atlas O is also producing a line of trackside accessories, including pedestrian walkways, turntables, structures, crossing gates, and track. Follow the link in the video description to see the complete Atlas O 2024 spring catalog. Lionel Trains has announced the production of a clear shell E6A and E6B set in minimalist Santa Fe colors exclusively for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The pair is expected to arrive in late 2024. The early order price for a set is $1,099.99. Menards has released a new high-rise modern vehicle showroom structure. The structure can display 30 1/43rd and 1/48 scale die-cast vehicles and features a handy removable magnetic roof section for easy access. The building has 3 lighting color functions and a fully decorated showroom. The structure is available in limited quantities online only for $129.99 before rebates. Follow the link in the video description for ordering information. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale gondola car with LCL trash containers in New York City colors for Train World. The car will be available in 2 unique car numbers and will be produced in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $84.99. MTH Trains has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale Alco P8 diesel locomotive in Denver and Rio Grande UP Heritage colors for the train loft. The locomotive will be produced as a powered A unit and non-powered B unit in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in July 2024. The pre-order price for the A unit is $569.95 and the non-powered B unit is $239.95. Remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.